This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? The Tesla Cybertruck, does it work as a family car? That's what we're gonna find out today. So, let me show you here. On this side, we have Axel. Yo, what's up? We have plenty of space here. Axel, hey, hey. Hey, hey. Pa, เราจะไปเที่ยว Okay. And see here, there's so much space here. I have the double-decker stroller, Cybex. I have the EcoFlow with me, the solar panel, some safety equipment just in case. Okay, gonna close this, and on this side, we have Isofix in the back. So you see, it's quite easy to mount the car seats here. So Isabel sitting here. Yeah, good girl. Okay, and you see, we have the, hey, Ioniq Axel, Ioniq Isabel. And it actually falls quite nicely here. I wonder if there's enough space for an adult to sit in the center even. And we have so much space here. Okay, anyway, and then we have, ta-da, wifey here. Oh, me too, you're on there. Plenty of space. Yeah, the Cybertruck. But it is a big beast. We're gonna go to the shopping mall and eat some family dinner. Will it work? And also we need to check the weight now with a payload. Will it be more than 3.5 tons? Oh, let's find out. First challenge, try to get up that tight space here in the parking garage. Jessheim Storsenter. The F-150 kind of failed here. Oh. Shit, it looks tight. Okay, wait, wifey, can you go out and check? Oh shit, I don't know if you have enough space here. Look, okay, hazard lights on. Yes, okay, let me turn off this. My carpet there, man. Is there enough space? Huh? Carpet there, man. Me too, where? Oh shit, it's big and tight. Oh, but it kind of works. Yes, Axel's getting grumpy. Okay. We squeeze it in. It fits. I didn't know. I think it was just bigger than I thought. Okay, but look. So we have the Cybertrucks here and actually the F-150 side by side. Okay. Which car is the biggest? Well, the F-150 seems to be a bit taller. Yeah, you know, I feel like when you drive this car, it feels more like an SUV. Whereas the F-150, you climb, it's a Lariat, it's the gray import. You climb into the truck, but it looks more like a conventional truck. So, yeah. You see here, more conventional, and then the car for the future. Okay, anyway, let's try to park. Look. Auto parking. Go. It blinks. The children are one of the child is crying. It backs up. Freaking big beast. Oh, and then it goes forward. What the heck? And why did it need so many tries? That's weird. This is when you need help because the truck is so big. Wait, does it even fit in the square? Did you? No, it's not done yet. What are you doing? Child is crying. He wants to go out. Oh, that's close. That's tight. There, no, it's like he's waiting. He's like, what the heck is it doing? Are you done yet? No, it's there. He finished. Let me go check. Dude, that is not legal. You parked outside the square. It's too big. How do we fit this? Because in Norway you need to be within the lines, otherwise we get a ticket. Okay, wife is over there. Shit, it's tight. It's really tight. Come here, huh? Come here. She says go further in. Go further in. Ah! Dude. What happened? The fat G-tron is so fat. Huh? Are we in? แล้วข้างหลังอ่ะ What? Check it out. Oh, it fits. It's legal. It's legal. Look at this. I mean, okay, it pokes out, but as long as the wheels are inside, we're good. Okay, now we need to get some of this stuff. You see how practical this is as a family car? Huh? Super convenient. You just jump in here, take out the stuff here and here, and we have some other stuff if we need to. So super convenient. Okay, yes, I'm Storsenter. Gonna go to Egon's, have some dinner. Yeah, the kids, they love the double decker. So even a big stroller like this fits fine in the Cybertruck. Seems like the Cybertruck is the perfect family car right now. And wifey likes it. And you know Justin Bieber has one. Maybe I should get one also. The food has arrived. I almost forgot how expensive things are in Norway, especially Egon's. We have the food here, burger, some child's bolognese, some steak, pepper steak, soda, and there will be dessert after this. Everything here, 1,100 NOK. It's around 100 euros. Okay, let's enjoy the food. I'm saying, put it in the mouth. Put it in the moon. Oh, you drop it. Oh, Isabel, you're so flink to it. Yeah, so flink to it. Yeah, put it in there. You want the bread? Yeah.
นี่อาจจะต้องตัดให้นะ
ก็มันใหญ่ไป Next is some grocery shopping at the Yemen. Man, this is the problem. Every time we go shopping with the kids, they want this, they want that. Yeah, but they might not always eat them. She needs to hold it, and I. Okay. Oh, the hassle. Okay, I'm gonna go out now, but you know, this is a Czech Republic registered car, and then I was gonna enter it here. What kind of pervert doesn't use QWERTY keyboard? It's A, B, C. What the? Can we change this? No! Dude, any tech guy who has respect for themselves use QWERTY, not A, B, C, D. Oh, shit. Let me see. Okay, it was E, L. No, L is here. Okay. Okay, now we're going out. And then, I don't know, man. It just looks so tight there. We are okay, right? Okay, let me just drive a little bit on the edge here. I'm so big, man. Oh shit! Don't want to make any curve rush. Wait. Okay. I mean, if we can go in, we can go out, and the F-150 managed to go out. Okay. Man, it's like a big white guy squeezing in here. It's fine. Okay. I know. I'm a noob. I need to be able to handle big vehicles. Yeah, of course. I'm small Asian. But man, the rear wheel steering is really nice. It makes the car quite nimble. Yeah, nice. Okay, all good. Okay, let's see. How heavy is this beast when it's fully loaded with the whole family and some cargo? Front axle. Oh, 1,580. Okay. The whole truck. There. Oh, 3,280. That's it. Okay, it's still fine. We can load another 220 kilograms. No problemo. See, no problemo. Okay, we're back home. Marcus is here. He went all the way here to check out the car. Yeah. So yeah, Marcus, what do you think?
It's insane. So yeah, and I also have Henry. Are you want to see something to the you want to say something to the camera? Nothing to say on English?
Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna get ready now. I will do a charging test tonight, and then actually later tonight, the Czech guys, they will take it and go back. So yeah, that was only 2 days-ish, yeah, so quite busy days. We had some problems with the car, so we were delayed 2 days. So yeah, okay, anyway, does it work as a family car? Absolutely. It's like, it catches attention everywhere we go. People, they stop and they take picture, they look at the car, they knock on the window, ask stuff, you know. It's similar to when we had the Model X many years ago, or the Model S many years ago, but still, you know, back then, 10 years ago or something, those cars, Model S and X, they didn't attract that much attention. It's something about this beast here that doesn't look like a car, you know? It looks like a dumpster driving around. They'd be like, oh, what the heck is that? Oh, it's a car. So, would I buy it? If I had the money, absolutely. It is a bit impractical to drive around town with it. Then I'll probably use the Soul over there. Superb, so nimble. But when you want to go on a trip, you can put so much stuff in the back there. And it is actually very efficient for a pickup truck. It's the most efficient pickup truck I've tested. Ford F-150 and Maxus E-Terra they can just go home. This thing kicks ass for the Lord. Yeah, for the Lord, Elon Musk. I'm just kidding. Okay. Anyway, that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.